Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips Evnia 34M2C6500 monitor. So friend, it is set to launch on 12th June and bringing advanced visual capabilities to the gaming community, and this monitor features a 34-inch screen with an 1800R curvature, enhancing the immersive experience, and it boasts a WQHD resolution and QD OLED panel delivering high-quality, accurate visuals, and is designed for optimal gaming performance, highlighted by Smart Crosshair feature, which automatically adjusts the crosshair color for better visibility against varying game backgrounds, and the OLED panel offers exceptional brightness and infinite contrast, conforming to DisplayHDR TrueBlack 400 standards. The monitor is VESA ClearMR 9000 certified, ensuring minimal motion blur, and it also supports a true 10-bit display, providing a broader color range for more vivid and accurate image, and the 175Hz refresh rate guarantees smooth and responsive gameplay. The Philips Evnia 34M2C6500 include customizable Ambiglow lighting, which can synchronize with audio and video content for more immersive experience, and the ergonomic height adjustment stand allow user to position the monitor comfortably and enhancing visibility during extended gaming session. The SmartImage game mode optimized setting to improve the gaming experience. And friend, the pricing is set at approximately $873. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.